Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to Office Automation. So let's start Urdu in Page Editor. So basic information about Urdu in Page Editor is that it's a text editor just like MS Word, but the difference is that we usually use Urdu in Page Editor for writing Urdu and Arabic texts. So with the latest version of MS Word, the Urdu in-page editor has been integrated into it. So now we can select the Urdu in-page editor inside MS Word by going to the desktop and selecting the language from the taskbar of our Windows. So Urdu in-page editor, let's understand its layout. It's a basic layout which is similar to the MS Word, earlier versions of MS Word. So it has got some basic options. So it has got menu bar and formatting toolbar from where we select the type of text, font, size and color we select from here. So also it has got this horizontal ruler and it also has got a vertical ruler, and we have got some graphic shapes over here that we can insert, so just the basic ones. And also we have got these paragraph alignment options similar to MS Word. So you have practiced Word enough to spot all these options which are very similar to the Word's menu. Moving on. So regarding managing document in Urdu in Page, we have got some basic similar options just like in Word. So to open a new document in Urdu in Page Editor, we can go to the File menu and click on New. So it will open this new document menu. So here we can first select some of the basic options like type of page, legal or A4 or letter, and we can, second common option that is used is the page orientation. We can select the portrait or landscape, and that's just the basic of it. There are other options available like setting the marginal space, so on and so forth. After you're done, you can either save your document or just press OK. So once done, you will be presented with a blank document. So next thing is that we deal with the selection of keyboard. So to select a keyboard, we go to Edit menu, and from there we select the preferences and we select the keyboard preferences. After that, we will be presented with the keyboard preferences menu. From here we can select the monotype or phonetic. There are other formats available, but we only go for monotype or phonetic regarding our course. Next up is managing the document. So managing document is similar to MS Word, where we open a page we save the page, we uh, copy and move and delete page content, the text. Also, we have got some similar uh, options, commands which are available in Word. We can use them in Urdu in Page Editor as well, like copy, cut and paste. Control C, Control X and Control V. Some of the basic stuff in Urdu in Page has got some limitations, like we had the freedom to use Control Z in MS Word for undo and Control Y for redo. Here it also works, these commands work, but the limitation is that Control Z can be performed in one step only. So it will only work for one step. You can only just press Control Z once or Control Y once, not more than that. Moreover, you have to perform some practicals as mentioned over here, that regarding your textbook page reference, you have to perform saving and opening of document. Similarly, you have to type the text. So copying and deleting text, you have to experiment with that. Next is that once you are familiar with the basic stuff, go through all the character keys on your keyboard and open a blank document and start pressing all the characters one by one. So memorize all the letters by practicing. So once you get a hang of it, then you start typing the small paragraphs as mentioned in your textbook. You can use page 115's Qaid-e-Azam's statement in Urdu. You can write these sentences so that you get a hang of it. This is your practical task regarding Urdu in Page. So this concludes the Urdu in Page tutorial. So by now we have finished MS Word, Excel and Urdu in Page.